Hey cleaning professionals, it's Alex with Tucker USA, and in this video we're going to talk to you about the Rival Basic 4-Stage Cart. Now the Rival cart is made here in the United States, right here in Castle Rock, Colorado, and features our 10-year warranty. And also, for those of you who have an active Team Tucker membership, you'll have a lifetime warranty with this cart. Now if you notice here on our cart, we have a quality guarantee card. Well, what does this mean? Notice it's going to say every one of these carts and every one of our systems will be tested. The pre-filter is installed. The reverse osmosis membrane is installed. Your DI is bagged separately, and that's to ensure you get the freshest resin possible. And you have extra filters. We'll get into that later. So the Rival Basic 4-Stage cart is on our powder-coated steel frame paired with our no-flat wheels. Now it's a 4-stage cart, but you're probably wondering, all I see is 3 housings. Well, how do we do that? Well, there's your first stage has 2 filters in one. It has a sediment and a carbon filter that features a chloramine killer. The water will then go into your reverse osmosis membrane. It's a 40-inch. And lastly, into our 10-inch DI. You notice as well that we have now a pressure gauge installed on board, and this will read the incoming water pressure after your carbon filter. Right above that, you'll see our bypass valve, and this is to help with flushing out your RO membrane before and after each usage. And also when you go into what I like to call cleaning mode, this will regulate your system to a perfect 1-to-1 ratio, meaning 1 gallon of pure water to 1 gallon of wastewater. It's important to note that you never want to block this off. If you do, you block off that wastewater, it will cause your reverse osmosis membrane to delaminate. Now on to what comes with your Rival Basic 4-Stage cart. As mentioned before, you get an extra set of your pre-filter and also an extra set of your DI. As mentioned before, we seal off the DI resin to ensure you maintain freshness, as DI does have a shelf life. When you go to install this DI filter, you'll notice that there's a portion of it that has a black gasket on the top. You will want to have this facing up as you set it into this housing to ensure that you have pure water going out. It'll also come with a set of wrenches. This is to help remove your pre-filter and also your DI cartridge. And lastly, you'll have a bag with your owner's manual. You'll have an extra 2 sets of O-rings. This is for your pre-filter and your DI, and a TDS meter. If you have any questions on the Rival Basic 4-Stage cart or any of the other products, feel free to reach out to us at tuckerusa.com.